Today I'm expressing my thought on social media. No any individual person has pressure to me to express this. This is my personal view about unstable situation in Manipur. As a citizen of India, I ask the same questions every day. The conflict began on 3rd May, has continued for more than 3 years. Many innocent people from different communities have lost their life. Thousands of families are still living in their relief camp and are unable to return to their home. This is not a small issue. It's a painful reality. When someone dies in an accident or a flood, our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji quickly expressed his condolence. But during more than 3 years of Manipur crisis, we have not heard a single word from him. I wonder why. If there is a good plan or agenda, please explain it to the people. If the demand for separate administration is accepted, then what will happen our state? India will break apart piece by piece. And one thing I wonder, this more than 3 years of Manipur crisis is treated just like a family matter. A very respected person, I don't want to mention his name, he said that it is a family matter said on media, which I believe it is an immature statement. Choosing such a person was a big mistake of us. So I appeal to all the people of Manipur, please choose educated candidate who understand the feeling and concern of the public. Lastly, I just want to say the people of Manipur want only peace. We have lived together more than thousands of years with peacefully. But why these unwanted problems happen so suddenly? I believe the government know more about this situation. Manipur is an integral part of India. Like many people, I hope to hear more from our national leaders and to see stronger efforts to bring lasting peace and restore normal life. Thank you so much for watching.